Hi, welcome back to the Instagram lecture. What you're seeing right now is my Instagram account, and I'm going to show you really quickly where to go to if you already have a personal Instagram account created and you want to change it over to a business account. So I'm going to click the three dashes up at the very top, and you'll see me doing that. All the way down at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the word settings with a little dial. Select that, and then scroll down to where right now it says business settings because I am a business account, but you'll see the information that says switch back to personal account. If you do not have, if you have not set that up for a business account, it will say switch to business account here. Select that and it will change your settings. Now, you can always switch back to a personal account if you wish. However, once you do that, you're going to lose all the insights and everything else. So that is how you make that change very easily.